How to check your American Express application status online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open the official application status page in any browser. You can simply type in as shown on the screen as well. After you've done that, press on enter. And then you'll find this kind of screen, which is application status. Here, add your social security number. After you've added your social security number, add your zip code. Then press on check application at the bottom. After you do that, it will show you authentication verification steps. Do it and review the status result. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to check your American Express application status online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.